So it was a demo class we discussed. This I can consider as a class 1. Today we will going to start on class 01. Okay. So since it is a class 1, we haven't taken the introduction for the everyone. Let's have a quick introduction for everyone, and then we will be talking about the actual class. Okay. All right. So today date is 22/02/2025. So we are going to talk about completely Windows PowerShell automation scripting training. Okay. So let's have a quick introduction. In this introduction, just tell your name, your location, and your PowerShell skills, and what is your technology you're working. Total CS of experience. And what technology you're working. Okay. So Amol, you joined. Okay, good. So Amol, you had attended the last class demonstration.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
No, I haven't attended. This is my first class.
Okay, no worries. No worries. Yeah, we will be talking about whatever we had discussed on the first demo class, and along with that, a new topic we'll discuss. Today, it is a class first who are already registered, and we are allowing them to this session. And we are begin with the class first from today.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
No,
Yeah. So kindly help me to update your name, location, and total years of experience. What technology you guys working here, and what about the PowerShell skill set? Like you have the basic, or already, taking the script from the Google and working on that, and how good you are in the PowerShell. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Give me 1 minute, guys. I'm just getting. Yeah, I'm back. Sorry. Okay. So just begin with this. Who want to start with first one is?
I'll go first.
Okay.
My name is Srini. I'm an Active Directory Azure Entra ID, Azure and Active Directory Systems Administrator. I have 10 years of experience.
1 second.
I write PowerShell scripts, but I download it from the internet and then write. I can't write it, from scratch.
Okay, good. So I can take it you have knowledge on Active Directory, Azure, Entra ID.
Yes.
And what else? That's it, right? You are basically in identity or cloud engineer, right?
Yeah, I'm into Active Directory, identity, access management, Entra ID,
Okay.
Entra ID Connect.
Perfect. Okay, good. Thank you, Srini. Which location are from, Srini?
I'm from Bombay.
Bombay. So I can say Mumbai, right?
Yeah.
Maharashtra. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. So you have the skill on PowerShell, but would need for from scratch.
No, I don't have the skill from PowerShell. I can't, not confident writing independent
Understood, understood.
PowerShell scripts.
So you
I
would need
just
for
have,
the from basic to advanced level, you would need to write this, whatever the script is written or
yeah,
taken, you should understand
opening,
that. Yeah,
yeah, I can understand it, I can modify it, but I can't write it from scratch.
understood, understood. So you need to write to a script one plus if the ready-made script is available, I need to go through that is from top to bottom and I should understand that where to edit it.
Yeah,
With a confident I should get that result, expected result
yeah. I basically want to learn it.
from basic to advanced.
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you, Srini. Thanks so much. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
Yeah,
Yeah,
myself, Basavaraj.
Basu.
Okay,
Yeah,
yeah,
Basaraj.
I'm from Bangalore location.
Mm-hmm.
I have around 12 years of experience on
Okay.
Wintel VMware, and recently I'm moved to Azure DevOps. So,
You are in
being a
Wintel,
Azure, yeah, Wintel VMware,
VMware, and
and now I'm moving to Azure DevOps. That is
okay,
the reason I need these scripting skills.
Azure
So,
DevOps.
yeah. With the
Okay.
PowerShell, I'm also learning ML scripting.
Okay. You know the ML scripting, but on the PowerShell, what
Uh,
you have the
yeah,
basic skill?
on the PowerShell and on the ML, I have a basic skills.
Mm-hmm.
I can understand the scripts, but
Okay.
I cannot write own scripts.
Okay. Good.
Yeah,
Again, you
if
need
I
to
have
learn the
any script, I can modify it. Yeah,
basic to advanced you want to learn. Okay.
yeah, yeah.
So just need to learn basic to advanced. Okay. Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much, Basuraj. Let's move on to the next. Yeah, please proceed quickly.
Yeah, hi, I'm Nagaraj here
Nagraj, go ahead.
from location Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm having around 10 plus years experience.
10 plus years of experience. Okay.
Yeah, I'm currently working in UC, overall UC management role.
What technology you're working?
Yeah, I'm working on UC technology like desktop computing and
Okay, end user computing.
yeah, end user computing. And
Okay.
recently we started using alternative where it proactively monitors. We need to create custom monitor and remediation where the we use
Monitoring
PowerShell
tool.
for. Yeah,
Good,
yeah,
good. Okay, perfect.
yeah.
So how
So
about the
I have
PowerShell
just
skill?
basic knowledge. Yeah, need to learn more how to create from scratch and all.
Perfect, perfect. Okay. Done. Good, good. From basic tool. Okay, let's move on to the next one.
I'll go with now.
Yeah,
Hi,
please
good
proceed.
morning. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah. My name is Amol. I'm based out in Bangalore,
Mhm.
and I'm working right now on SSCM.
You are total of experience?
I have 8 years of experience
Okay.
total, and currently working on SCCM. I have basic knowledge on PowerShell.
Basic knowledge and
Uh,
PowerShell. Again, you need to learn from
yeah.
basic
I'm,
to
I'm I'm
advanced.
just expecting from basic to advanced level.
Perfect, perfect. Okay.
Yeah. I
Okay.
just want to know one more thing over here. Like is this class will be recorded, right?
Yes, yes, record. Yes.
Yeah, one thing because and the time will vary or like this is the same time we'll be
We will
having the
discuss.
class.
We will discuss. We will discuss. Just other people's also there. If everyone suits
Okay,
one timing, we'll fix that timing.
yeah, got it.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I'm right now I'm in traveling mode. So that's the
Yeah, I
reason.
understood. So today is a class one, right? The other country people's also there in upcoming classes, and we will fix one timing. If everyone suits for the morning 9 o'clock or 9:30, then we are okay with that. And let's discuss about this.
Yeah, got it. Thank you so much.
Okay, perfect. We'll talk about that. Tamal.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, who is next?
Me.
Yeah, please proceed.
आपको इज्जत भी करना चाहिए लाइव है क्या तू म्यूट
Okay, Shani, can you please go on mute? Yeah, go ahead. Who is it next? Who is that?
Oh, sorry, I was muted.
Yeah.
This is Vanessa. I'm based out of Bangalore.
I have total
VENISA, correct?
VENESIA.
NESIA. That's correct?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, Bangalore, right?
Worked in
Perfect.
bank.
Mhm,
Yeah. Total years of experience is 8.
mhm.
I'm working as cybersecurity analyst.
Okay,
And,
good. Cyber security analyst. Okay.
and like, I don't know much about PowerShell, but I just know running our scripts, what we use day to day. That's it.
You just on the script. Just we need to understand that again. Basic skill. Basic skill you don't have, but need to learn for.
From basic to advanced, I need.
Perfect. 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 Okay. All right. So who else? That's it, right? Yeah. Srini Nagaraju. Perfect. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for a quick introduction, guys. So it's
I
about my. Yeah.
I have a quick question. I
Go
mean,
ahead.
this class is recorded. Is it
Yes, sir.
uploaded somewhere?
We will share you the
Oh,
link. Yes, yes. It will be uploaded after the class. We'll share the link.
okay, sure. Thanks a lot.
No worries. Yeah. Right. So about myself, you know that is my name is Neil, right? And location is in Bangalore. And total years of experience almost is a 14 years of experience in IT industry. And same again, so my skill also is working as a technology skills and experience, which is Active Directory, server infrastructure, Active Directory, Azure, and cloud security. So is currently working as a senior cloud security consultant. And yeah, worked on multiple that is an automation project as well, which using the PowerShell, right? And yeah, that's it. This is about myself. And most important, so you guys are knowing this is PowerShell is one of the most powerful and important skills would need for the every administrator. I would say we have here 10 plus years of experience, 12 plus years of experience, right? So it's very much needed. The more we have a skill and become a leads and manage a role or leading the team and infrastructure point of when you're working as a senior based, even though it's a fresher also, currently it is multi-skill needed for the industry where all the companies or all the IT companies are looking for how things to make optimization, how to reduce the cost. This is the only two things are looking. And to achieve this, we as an employee, we as a candidate, we would need to have the multi-skill. There's no other chance, right? We have to have things to make automate, things to make smarter way, things to make that is in whatever the work we are going to use optimization optimization wise and potential wise, effective wise to do some of our work and stop repetitive work, right? And stop manual work. These are all currently expected to do from all the employees. So in that, the first most important where we use all the time and all the technologies, basically most on the Windows servers and Microsoft product, right? No matter you are in database administrator, since most of the all are in same technologies, which is Active Directory, VMware, and cloud security and cyber security. So it's a centralized product to use for all the Microsoft product and other product also to make automation. So PowerShell is as we discussed last session, and if no on are attended is few of are not attended. So I would go to the quickly, go through the presentation which we discussed. This one, like, let me just put into this. What I suggesting to everyone, it's a very simple. I'll make you to understand very simple layman language. Okay, it is not needed to anything programming skill set.